Hey there, Kiddie Quest explorers! Are you ready for an exciting journey through space? Today, we're going to embark on an adventure that will take us to the far reaches of our solar system. So put on your space helmets and get ready for a cosmic ride. Welcome to the Planet Parade. This is where we get to meet all the amazing planets that make up our solar system. Each one is unique and has its own special features. Get ready to zoom across the solar system and meet some out-of-this-world friends. We'll be traveling faster than the speed of light, so hold on tight, buckle up, because here we go. Let's start our countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. First up is Mercury. This little planet is the closest one to the sun. Look at it zip around the sun. Mercury orbits the sun faster than any other planet, completing a full circle in just 88 Earth days. Mercury is the smallest planet and the fastest too. It's like a speedy little race car zooming around a track. Can you see its fiery glow? That's because it's so close to the sun it gets really hot during the day. Next is Venus, the golden planet. Venus is often called Earth's sister because they are similar in size and structure. Venus has a soft, glowing atmosphere. It's covered in thick clouds that reflect sunlight, making it shine brightly in the sky. Do you see the heart shapes? Some people say Venus is the planet of love because of its beautiful glow. It's like the planet of love. Isn't it romantic? Oh, here's our home, Earth. Earth is the only planet we know of that has life. The cheerful blue and green planet with swirling clouds. It's covered in oceans, forests, mountains, and deserts. Look, it's smiling at us. Isn't it beautiful? Earth is truly a special place. And there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its reddish color, which comes from iron oxide or rust on its surface. It's dusty and has lots of craters. Mars has the largest volcano and the deepest canyon in the solar system. Look, there's a tiny rover waving at us. Mars is always exploring. Scientists send rovers to Mars to learn more about it. Whoa, it's Jupiter, the giant. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has swirling storms and a big red spot. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm that has been raging for hundreds of years. Can you see the giant storm spinning? Jupiter's atmosphere is full of colorful bands and swirling clouds. It's the biggest planet in our solar system. Jupiter has more than 75 moons, including the largest one, Ganymede. Here comes Saturn with its sparkling rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock particles. Look at them spin and bounce. The rings are so wide they could fit between Earth and the moon. Saturn's rings are so beautiful and fun. They make Saturn one of the most recognizable planets. Now we have Uranus, the tilted blue planet. Uranus is unique because it rotates on its side. Uranus rolls on its side and has soft, icy rings. It's like a giant rolling ball in space. It's so cool and unique. Uranus is also known for its beautiful blue color, which comes from methane in its atmosphere. Last but not least, we have Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is deep blue with fast winds and swirling white clouds. It's known for having the strongest winds in the solar system. It's the windiest planet of them all. Neptune's winds can reach speeds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Wow, that was amazing! We've traveled through the entire solar system and met all the planets. Look at the playful rocket zooming across the screen. Isn't space just magical? There's so much to explore and discover. And now, all the planets are together in a circle around the sun, waving goodbye. They're saying, thanks for visiting us. Thanks for joining the Planet Parade. We hope you had a blast learning about the planets. Don't forget to subscribe to Kiddie Quest for more fun learning adventures. See you next time, space explorers.